Yes, hi guys. I want to share this video about a 2017 Ford F-250 Super Duty. And this video is gonna help you if you're looking for the size of the replacement bulbs. We have them all listed here. Easy for you to see them. For the front exterior, and it's gonna help you too if you want to upgrade to LEDs or HIDs. See, for the high beam and low beam, H13. And for the front fog light 9140, you have all the size here if you want to pause the video if you need to. For the rear exterior, backup light, brake light bulb, rear side marker, parking light, tail light, and for the interior, you have the luggage compartment. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you.